This is John with J Buys Homes, and here are 5 very easy steps for selling your home. Step 1. To begin, you'll complete a form with your property's address, a phone number for communication, and an email address for sending documents. We will not be making any arbitrary offers. We thoroughly analyze the numbers, and afterward, we'll evaluate the neighborhood and check the sale prices of recently renovated homes to ensure we provide you with the highest cash offer possible. Step 2. I'm going to contact you to arrange a visit to your property for a walkthrough. During the visit, we're going to evaluate the repair costs for your home, and then after the assessment, I will present you with a cash offer and outline the next steps to move forward towards closing. Step 3. After we reach an agreement, I will initiate escrow and title procedures with a reputable local title company. The contract will include the address, the agreed upon terms, and a closing date. And to demonstrate our commitment, we're going to submit a $5,000 non-refundable good faith deposit. Step 4. The title search process begins. If there are no issues, we can close within 7 days or less. However, if there's a mortgage to settle on or any liens to clear, closing could take up to 30 days. Now, assuming everything is clear, we can finalize the deal in about 7 days or so, and you'll receive that check on the same day. Step 5. Closing day arrives and we've made it. On this day, I'm going to transfer those funds to escrow. You're going to receive your check for the agreed upon cash offer, and I'm going to obtain the deed. We all leave satisfied. There are no closing costs, no commissions for you to pay, and we'll handle all the necessary repairs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to working with you.